million months goal hack. It's on the basis of stretch goals. Studies have shown that goal resistance makes it hard for most people to stay motivated to hit their goals. So when you set a stretch goal, it helps you release resistance towards your quote-unquote real goal. So for my clients that are making their way towards their first 100K, instead of 10K months, I have them focus on 100K in 100 days. And for my clients that are on their way to their first million, I have them focus on $1 million months. Their real goals seem so small in comparison to those larger stretch goals. And then of course, we work on getting their brains and body in line with the larger goals so they stay focused and motivated. I cover all of this in my 2 free trainings. One is for you if you are headed towards your first 100K, and one is for if you're headed towards your first million. You can check it out through the link in my bio and let me know if it works for you.